Hey everyone, what is up? I'm Rishabh and you are watching It's All Art. Today we are going to learn how to draw and shape charmander. So let's start. The sketching part is already done, but don't worry, this is a complete drawing tutorial. Just watch till the end. Use the scale to measure different areas of the drawing and mark it with pen or pencil. This method will give you a rough idea about your drawing. Repeat this measuring and marking method as many times as you want if you are a beginner. This will help you to understand the distance and gap between every part of your drawing much better. Use 4B pencil for shading the lighter parts and then use 6B pencil for darker. Now use cotton bud for blending. Again use 4B pencil for lighter parts. Now blend it with cotton bud. If you like our video, please subscribe and press the bell icon